Imagine walking through your home without that nagging fear of slipping or tripping. For many of us, after 70, the world feels a little less steady every year. Balance issues are, in fact, the number one reason older adults lose confidence and face dangerous falls. But here is the secret. Balance isn't something you lose forever. It's something you can rebuild. Today, I'm giving you 5 simple, proven movements to reclaim your confidence. This is about more than just staying on your feet. It's about keeping your life vibrant and independent. No expensive equipment needed, just a few minutes of your day. Let's start right now. Number 1 is the heel-to-toe walk. This is one of the most powerful exercises because it forces your body to concentrate on stability. You don't need any special gear, just a flat surface like your hallway. To start, you may want to place your hand lightly on a wall or counter for safety, gradually using less support as you gain strength. Stand tall and place the heel of one foot directly in front of the toes of your other foot so they are almost touching. Take a very slow, careful step forward, placing your heel down first and then rolling through to your toes. Then repeat with the other foot. Imagine walking on a tightrope, moving with precision. Look forward, not down at your feet. This movement specifically sharpens your proprioception, your body's internal sense of where it is in space, which is crucial for recovering from unexpected bumps or trips. This wakes up the small stabilizing muscles in your ankles and feet. Gloria, who is 81, used to be terrified of her polished hardwood floors. She practiced this for just 2 minutes every morning. Within weeks, she stopped grabbing furniture for support, and her confidence soared. If you can do a few more steps each week without holding on, you are getting stronger. Number 2 is the single leg stand. Simple yet delivers massive rewards for your coordination and stability. Use a sturdy, non-rolling chair for immediate support. Stand tall, lift one foot a few inches off the ground, and balance on the other leg. Aim for 10 seconds. When you balance, make sure your supporting knee is soft and slightly bent. Never locked. Keep your core gently engaged and your chest up. As we age, the ability to balance on one leg naturally declines, making us vulnerable during daily tasks like stepping off a curb or putting on pants. This exercise directly trains your body for these real-life moments by engaging the tiny intrinsic muscles of the foot, which are vital sensors for stability. My friend Jim, 76, swears by this. After a fall, he started doing this while waiting for coffee. He struggled at first, but with consistency, he worked up to holding the balance for 30 seconds on each side. Now he feels steady climbing stairs and playing with his grandkids. It's about making the effort a daily habit. Number 3 is side leg raises. Physical therapists love this because it targets your hip abductor muscles, areas crucial for stopping falls. These muscles are your body's anchors, preventing you from swaying side to side, which is a common precursor to a trip. Stand behind a chair for support. Shift your weight evenly to one foot and slowly lift the other leg straight out to the side. Keep your toes pointing forward and your back straight. Avoid leaning. Do not kick high. Just a few inches is enough to feel the work. Hold briefly, then lower. Repeat 10 times on each side. Always remember to breathe deeply throughout the movement to maintain control. Strong hips catch you if you trip on uneven ground. Linda, 79, feared uneven sidewalks, so she started doing these during TV commercials. Soon she felt stable and confident getting out of her car and walking around her neighborhood. Number 4 is seated marching. This is an excellent, safe starting point if you are nervous about standing exercises. Always use a chair that won't roll. Sit up straight at the edge of the chair with your feet flat. Gently lift one knee high, lower it, then lift the other. It is just like marching in place, but seated. Aim for 20 marches on each side. Keep your back straight, using your core muscles to help lift the leg. This alternating movement is excellent for improving coordination between your left and right sides. It retrains your brain and body to work together smoothly, which is essential for a fluid, steady walking gait. Frank, 84, felt weak after a hospital stay. He started here. His legs grew stronger, and soon he was walking outside again, feeling steady every step of the way. Number 5 is standing weight shifts. This underrated exercise teaches your body to recover instantly when your weight shifts, a constant need when turning or reaching. Stand near a counter with feet hip-width apart. Slowly and smoothly shift your weight onto your right foot, lifting your left foot slightly. Hold for a moment, then shift over to the left. Do this 15 times on each side. The goal is smooth control, not speed. You are teaching your nervous system to respond quickly to small positional changes. As you get comfortable, try shifting your gaze straight ahead instead of looking at your feet. Edna, 83, lost confidence after stumbling on sidewalks. She incorporated this routine while washing dishes. Her anxiety vanished, and she even started line dancing again. You don't need to be a fitness expert or join a gym. Every step, every gentle lift, is an investment in your safety and independence. You've spent decades learning and adapting. Let these easy exercises be your new foundation for a strong future. Which of these 5 will you commit to trying first? Let me know in the comments below. Remember, it is never too late to start. If this helped you, please like and subscribe. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.